So I just got done working out in this AirKnitX shirt as well as the underwear, and boy, it is so comfortable. You almost don't feel like it's on, but once you start sweating, it does feel like it weighs down on you a little bit, so do keep that in mind. That's, how I feel. But still, even though it weighs down, it's just so comfortable. When you're not sweating, you almost don't even feel like this clothing is on you. And I just love the underwear. I wore it all day yesterday. I hand washed it overnight, and by the morning it was dry, good to go here for my workout. Just absolutely love it, and I would recommend it. And certainly, these shirts as an everyday t-shirt, you will just absolutely love it, and it comes in a few colors as well. So wanted to share this with you. So glad I got it. I will be ordering more. And the only thing I would say for the underwear is it doesn't have a fly. If you don't mind that it doesn't have a fly, then you'll love it. That's the only thing that bothers me a little bit. But when it comes to wearing underwear, you want it to be comfortable on you, and it definitely is. And especially once you get into the warmer season and the summer and it's hot and humid, then you'll really appreciate it. So thought I would share this review with you. Let me know if you have any questions, and be sure to click on the link in the description so you can order, and the more you order, the more you save. All right, everybody, have a great day, and thank you, Mack Weldon, for making some amazing clothing and apparel. Take care.